What's going on, guys? Welcome back. You saw in the thumbnail, we've got another from the Neon Lights pack. Neon Nights. I always say it backwards. It's the Neon Nights pack. We still have the 530 to cover, but in this video, we're covering the 1906, which is arguably New Balance's most popular model. My personal favorite would be the 9060, with this being number 2. And it's usually flip-flop for a lot of people. 9060 is their second. It's usually one or the other. You can't go wrong here, but these are wild. That's why I like them. We've already covered the 725 on this channel. We've covered the 9060 in the pack. We're covering the 1906R today, and within a few days we'll be covering the 530. And then comment down below if you'd like to see an overview on all 4 models in one video in the pack. I want some feedback from you guys, because if you feel like the individual videos were plenty, we won't do the collective pack video, but if you want to see it, we'll definitely do it. So let's get into these 1906s. Let's kick it. So standard New Balance box, gray. Got my true size of 8.5. Just says black pink. And trust me, there's a lot more to it than black and pink. Got the paper in the way, so I couldn't even give the sneak peek, but you already saw them on feet, because I do the on foot footage as part of the intro. But here we have it. You know, normally I would say the 9060 is the best of the bunch, because I just love that silhouette, but this is the best of the pack. I have all 4. The 530's been in hand for... I got the 530s before I got these. I just wanted to do this video more, because these... oh my. Let's start on the bottom. You've got pink, you've got the aqua teal, you've got that yellowish orange, you've got the yellow that's more of a golden yellow, because we have yellow and orange on here. Move up to the medial. You have their rubberized heel cage, 1906R branding. You have the energy foam, which is nice and squishy. You have the different layers of detailing with the foam. You've got the pinkish purple to that golden yellow, the torsion support. This torsion plate comes up in the teal. You have more yellow to the foam over here. Why am I having trouble doing this right here? With all of the different overlays, have their in-lock technology, where the lacing system goes through where the N is, but just all these bright colors. This is the most involved of them. You have the blue N on the toe with a yellow outlined N on the teal, and then the mesh paneling is solid pink on the toe box with hits of orange, and I believe this to be 3M, this white portion on both sides, I believe. And as we move up, just look at just all the color work here. You've got the orange outline on the oval laces, which is a beautiful touch. You've got orange and royal blue running up the lining of the tongue with purple, as well as hits of high-vis yellow and teal. Then we have a baby blue collar that's a very soft cottonette, like it's not microfiber, but very much cotton. As we look around the medial, it's more of the same. And then I forgot to mention the teal lace tips on the black and orange oval laces. Now you're starting to see why I say this is the best of the pack. Pink inside the tongue, teal. You have orange nylon paneling on the inside. Like, they really pulled out all the stops, and I forgot to show on the back with the NB with the orange hits. They pulled out all the stops on this particular one in the color in the pack. It's crazy. We have the Ortholite New Balance 1906 neutral cushion. You know, same stuff that's in most of their models, with, you know, the enhanced crash pad for the foam, little articulated arch support. It'll bottom out inevitably. It's not cheap EVA crap. It is Ortholite, but it's not their best stuff either. And then here you have the Strobel stitched in. You can feel a little rigidity, but overall I feel the foam more so than anything. So whatever they do have is not really stiff as far as the in-between from what's right below that stitching and cloth material on into the foam. But these, my God, This is the best ones. This is, I'm not going to say it's my favorite New Balance shoe. And I specifically mean this. I don't just mean this model. I mean this specific shoe in my hand. I'm not going to say it's my favorite because I have loads of New Balance shoes at this point. But it's close. This is easily in my top 5 New Balances in my collection. And I mean, it's not even close for which is the best of the Neon Knights pack to me, because this is so well completed and just put together. Just everything about it, from the different textures. This is a patent-like look, even though it's actually rubberized. It looks patent leather, but it's actually a rubberized toe rand that's wrapping around, and you have this rubberized texture going up on here as well. I mean, it's just, there's so much texturing, color pop, just everything about this is meticulously crafted, well done, and it stands out. You don't buy a shoe like this not expecting somebody at some point to say something. Because when I wore the 725s a few weeks back, I forgot how many people, it was 5 or 6, I forgot, that made it a point to compliment me on my sneakers because they stand out. Because when I wear stuff like this, I wear all black. I'm wearing black joggers as well because I want the focal point to be the sneaker if I'm wearing a loud, over-the-top sneaker like this. So yeah, I'm actually rocking these to the gym today. I wasn't originally until now. I'm sitting here with them in hand talking about them. So highly encourage this for any of you 1906 fans. I don't know if New Balance still has them in stock for retail. I bought mine from GOAT, as I do most things. Highly encourage them if you like the 1906 and you like loud colors. This is such a unique shoe. The pink toe is so where it's at for me. So there's that. I hope you enjoyed the on-foot footage throughout. Obviously, we're going to close it out with on-foot footage like we do with every sneaker review. So thanks for watching. Make sure to come back tomorrow for another sneaker review because we're putting them out every single day with the occasional list topic. But we've got individual sneaker reviews on a daily basis here on this channel. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe before you leave. I'll catch you tomorrow.